Modern ERP systems are incredibly complex. There's a number of different ancillary systems that those systems are communicating with and talking to. In today's world, nothing stays static. Under third-party support, we've got to keep our customers' systems up to date, and as part of that, we make sure that everything around the application continues to operate. So think about the operation of an ERP system with the browser that renders the application. Think about the desktop applications like Excel and Word that it's got to interact with. Think about maybe the mail interface application that it's got to send emails and receive emails and notifications from. All these components make up an ecosystem that's got to function correctly together. Part of Spinnaker Link's aim and objective is to make sure these continue to function correctly through enhancements, through interfaces, and through building interfaces into these systems that allow them to function together.